My name is Andrew Marmion for course 683. We're talking about picture exchange today. Picture exchange communication system was developed by Bondi and Frost in 1985. This is the communication system for students diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder and who have limited to no vocal communications language skills. There are six phases with PECS. Phase number 1 is when the student learns how to communicate. So they're identifying and matching a picture to what they want. We begin this by doing a preference assessment so we know what is motivating and what the student prefers, what activity or item that they are most likely to initiate and request. We start with if an individual is motivated by drink. If they want a drink, we present the drink in front of them, and then we present the picture card in front of them. They give us the picture of the drink, we give them the drink of water. After they master this phase, we go to phase 2, where we generalize this to other settings. So we work on single picture identification and communication in other settings with other individuals. So it's not just the teacher in the classroom. This may be on the playground, in the gymnasium, outdoors, on a bus, anywhere that's not in the classroom, other natural settings where they would request these items. We want to work on these skills. Phase number 3 is when the students learn to discriminate between other pictures. So they have a book or a communication board that has different items on it. For example, a drink, helicopter, car. These may all be on the communication board, and if the student wants a drink, they have to choose the drink picture out of the other pictures. They present this drink picture to the teacher, and then they get the drink. Phase number 4 is when we begin to construct simple sentences. We start with I want sentences. We have an I want picture. When a student wants something, they give them the I want picture, then they choose the second picture, which is what they want. I want a drink. When they give these to us, we give them the drink that they're requesting. We can then put it on a sentence strip. So the sentence strip has I want Velcroed on it, then they place drink on it. I want a drink. They present the sentence strip to the teacher or the instructor. They get the drink. After they form these simple sentences, the students go to phase 5, which is when they start to answer questions such as what do you want? We begin with what do you want, and we go back to the preference assessment that we conducted at the beginning or that we do throughout these stages to determine what is motivating and preferential to the student. If the student wants a drink, they will answer the question from the instructor, what do you want? They will tell us with the pictures. I want a drink, and then we will get them the drink. They're using their skills from that they learned and mastered in phase 4 to answer these questions in phase 5. Once they're answering these simple questions, we go to phase 6, where they are taught to answer questions. The students are taught to answer questions such as what do you see, what do you hear. So if you are outside and you see cars going by and you can hear the cars going by and you see the cars going by, you can ask the student, what do you see, as they're looking at the cars. They will then take the I see picture with a car picture and they will give us a sentence. I see a car. You'll do this in natural settings where they hear these, or we can use recordings of these items to then get the students to identify these pictures and these items through other means other than what they want. So they are now answering questions with these sentences starting with I want, I hear, I see, anything that is around them. Thank you.